Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Randomfacts by Shikhaa. In today's video we will know 10 best resorts in Manali for weekend getaways.
Before starting the video, would request you to please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Snowflakes Resort is located in the foothills of Hamta Pass in Manali. The hotel's yoga retreat offers daily yoga and meditation sessions for the guests. Room tariff for 1 night and 2 days for 2 people starts from Rs 6,000. The Whispering Inn is located in Old Manali, which is almost 640 meters from Hidimba Devi Temple. Cost of 1 night and 2 days for 2 people starts from Rs 6,000. Manuallaya Resort is just a couple of minutes walk from Vashisht Temple. The resort is overlooking the river Bias and the valley. Cost of 1 night and 2 days for 2 people is close to Rs 7,500. The Himalaya Villa Resort and Spa is one of the prime boutique resort which is almost 8 km from Hidimba Temple and 7 km from Circuit House. Cost of 1 night and 2 days for 2 people starts from Rs 4,000. Solang Valley Resort is out of Manali and is located in Solang Valley, which is almost 5 miles from Interstate Bus Station. The resort is surrounded by mountains and the view from here is mesmerizing. Cost of 1 night and 2 days for 2 people starts from Rs 10,000. Kalista Resort is located in the foothills of Manali, which is almost 3.1 miles from Hidimba Devi Temple. Cost of 1 night and 2 days for 2 people starts from Rs 2,000. Renest Resort is located very close to the mall road. The resort overlooks the river Bias surrounded by pine trees. Cost of 1 night and 2 days for 2 people starts from Rs 5,000. The Orchid Green Resort and Spa is a 4-star property located in the middle of lush green deodar forests. Cost of 1 night and 2 days for 2 people starts from Rs 2,000. Snow Bloom Resort is a 4-star property located on Nagar Road, which is 4 km from the mall road. Cost of 1 night and 2 days for 2 people starts from Rs 2,000. Apple Country Resort is a vegetarian property located at the highest point of Manali. Cost of 1 night and 2 days for 2 people starts from Rs 10,000.
If you like the video, then please don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel.